What's up guys, this is Sean Tan and today we're gonna fly some drone.
There goes a sight from my soul.
So as you guys know, I crashed my drone last 2 weeks ago and I sent it to DJI authorized store in Paradigm Mall and they fixed it for 650 ringgit. Not very expensive in my opinion, because there's a lot of things to a drone that needs to be calibrated and checked to ensure safety. Okay, so imagine such a device that can fly so high with sensors all around, and they are smart enough to actually identify where is home, where you land and things like that. Okay, so this also brings me and leads me to another different idea that I had, which is something that I want to talk about today. So for those who are watching all this while, there's a lot of comments and there's a lot of positive comments and there's a lot of support and there's a lot of love shown for my work, and I'm really appreciative of them, and this leads to a lot of other people who are reaching out to me to collaborate and things like that. So for those who are watching all this while, thank you. If you're watching this for the first time, yeah, can help me subscribe or not. Yeah.
There goes a sight from my soul.
Malaysia, tomorrow is an extremely important day. You can never get any more important than that, because this drone kind of things, when I crash that drone, it's all my fault, right? You're gonna first think that everything is your fault, then you start focusing on solutions rather than the problem. And for tomorrow, it's almost the same thing. We have that power to actually change and demand for what we want as a country, and it's very important that we do. So make sure your voice are heard. Go early, read up all the information of what to do and what not to do during the voting season, the voting day, not season. And so I really hope the best more for the country as well as the country, because political stability is often one of the most important criteria for investors to come into Malaysia. So if they really see that, Malaysia is very stable, it's very well governed, our property prices will continue to boom, our property prices will continue to be solid, and everyone will all benefit from it. So yeah. So what I'm trying to say is this: you have a voice, make sure it's heard. Don't be lazy, don't be sloppy, don't like, I don't tak apa, tidak apa. So because those are the people that often make the most noise and complain, right? Don't complain shit. Take action tomorrow. Make the right choice. Don't just discuss with kind of your family and make sure like why you are voting this person or that person. I'm not implying anything. Yeah, until next time, signing off.
Fresh boys on the track.